All right, what's happening, you guys? So we are out of food, out of water, no power, no nothing, and we ended up going to a Army National Guard food distribution site. Uh, 3 adults, 3 kids. This is what they gave us. They said no water or anything like that. They will have water later, but you what? We had to open it from the bottom for some reason. I guess it's childproof. Oh, that's why. You got fake nails. What's up with that? Holy shit. Alright, so this is, again, what we got is an Army National Guard food distribution site. Get them all flipped over. Let's take a look and see what they are. Is there any paperwork?
No.
All right, so some of them say menu 1, some say menu 2. Here's menu 4, there's menu 5, that's menu 5. Here's 2.
Let me open the other one.
No, not yet. We haven't even gone through this one. All right, so there's 4 and 4. Yeah, I wonder what they are. All right. So I guess that's it. Do we open one up or do we wait? I think we wait until we have to eat, right? We're going to wait. We're going to wait till we have to eat. So this is what happened. We ended up driving past this food distribution area. We were victims of Hurricane Ian down in Southwest Florida. And we're out of food and all that shit. So we're just driving and the place just opened up. There was no line, anything like that. We weren't even there 5 minutes. He ended up hooking us up with boxes. So I'll let you guys read it. Food gift from the people of the United States of America. This bag contains 1 day's complete food requirements for 1 person. No shit. Yeah, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, they gave us 10 packages, so that's it. Later on, we'll make another video when we open one of these bad boys up and see what's inside. Thanks a lot for watching.